Number 10 then from the 2018 SQA Higher Maths Paper 1, 4-mark question here. You're given a derivative. You've got an equation with a derivative already given. You've got what's known as a differential equation. These wee bits are the differentials. You're given a pair of values for x and y. And what you have to do is, given that the derivative is equal to this, what was the original function y equal to? Well, if that was the result of having differentiated it, then to get back to y, you'll have to undifferentiate it. You'll need to integrate it. So you'll be integrating this. Now, there's 2 marks for getting the integration done. The first mark is for knowing to integrate, and you don't need to show this line explicitly, and then starting it off. So that's knowing to integrate. So I've got 3 terms to integrate now. Add 1 to the power, divide by the power. So that means that's going to go up to x cubed. And I'm just going to show this in one go. Divide by 3. So 6 divided by 3 would be 2. So apparently the first mark pops in when you start doing the right thing with one of the terms. Minus, add 1 to the power goes up to 2. Divide by that. Well, I'll need to show that this time because it doesn't cancel in. And then finally, the 4. It's a constant term, so it goes back to the linear term. And don't forget, because that's really important in this question, plus c. Writing that is worth 2 marks. Knowing to integrate and starting it off, and then finishing it off. Now it's just a case of how can you find what this c is, and that's what these values are for. It tells you when x is 2, the answer to the whole thing should be 14, so you can put them in. 14 should be 2 times x is 2. 2 cubed minus 3 upon 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus c. All numbers apart from c, so you can find it. Sometimes it's neater actually to do that at the side so it doesn't spoil the flow down to the answer, because this is kind of thrown into the middle. Anyway, now there's just lots of bits and pieces of arithmetic. So you've got 2 to the power 4, so that'll be a 16. That's going to be just that one of them gets knocked out. That's minus a 6. That's plus an 8. That's plus a c, and that all comes to 14. So from this, I'll just put it over here. Taking those across, I don't think that's just a 10 now. So 18 away means c is negative 4. Now, you don't get a mark for that, apparently, until you put it back in, but you do get a mark for substituting those 2 values in. Now you can finish it off. So what was it? 2x cubed minus 3 upon 2x squared plus 4x, and what was c? It was negative 4. And there you go.